So we are running in total of 30%, 15%. Or imagine if you get a 15% return on your investments in a single day. I mean, options market. People are scared of options market. I don't believe there's any need to be scared of the options market. The only problem that people have is lack of knowledge and lack of practice and lack of understanding of how the markets operate. So all those things combined together, I believe you can convert your capital in a very fast-paced manner in the options market. As you can see, our ticker is moving very fast. So as you can see, there's a lot of new orders are coming in the market. Immediately the trigger was crossed. So you can see this place, uh, this selling point has been breached. So once the selling point is breached, we are, as you can see, let me draw one for you. So, uh, let me just remove this color only. Color, make it black. Yeah. As you can see, now we're going to reach a new high in Nifty 50. As you can see, we have an investor entry here. We have an investor entry here. Big investment has made its entry into this position since there was a pullback. The markets were waiting for a pullback. Now the pullback was completed. The markets have made a new entry into this position. So we are now expecting Nifty 50 to reach at least, I don't know what's going to be the new high, but nobody can predict the new high. But anyways, we are expecting, see, all our positions are going in profits now. So on the Sensex, we are making 21,700. On the Bank Nifty, we are making 2925. And on Nifty 50, we are making a killing right now, 1,69,560. So guys, it is awesome to trade. It is one of the best feelings to have traded the markets and to have beaten the markets. And I have been doing this for the last 3 years. And tell a little background about myself. I have lost almost 5 lakh rupees in the market at the start. Yes, I lost almost 5 lakh rupees in the market, and then I was really broken down. I did not know what to do. I had taken a loan from the bank, and I was really upset with myself, and I had to pay EMIs to the bank without making any money in the market. So that was a very funny situation. Thank God I had a job, so I could easily pay, even though I had some suffering on the way. But then I decided, no, I'm not going to quit. I'm going to work hard, and I'm going to make sure that I learn everything that is required here. And I don't think so. Learning requires you to put your blood on the line. It's just a little bit of effort and sustained patience and hard work. So this is how I just kept on learning, and I kept learning. And I reached out to Karen Fu, and I saw a lot of videos that she has put up on the internet. You can also see her videos. I will send you the link on my page so you can understand exactly how the whole markets operate. This is just the front. The background is the government and the investors. What is the government doing about the economy and what is the investors feeling about the economy. So these two things have to interline with each other. There has to be a feel-good sentiment. There has to be a feel-good sentiment. Based on that feel-good sentiment, the whole markets operate. If there is a bad sentiment in the market, certainly the investors will not make it. And the investors, if they are not making an entry, markets will go down. So we need to understand all these things from the investor's point of view. Yes, we need to have some technical confirmation. So this is one of our technical confirmation. And as you can see, 8% return, 16% is growing up. It will keep going up because you have almost a 200 to 300 crore order here. This very big order that has entered. So they are taking the markets up. Uh, so let's see, 16% return, 17%. I don't know. So it can go all the way up to 30%, 40%, I don't know, maybe up to 100%. We can convert the whole 15 lakhs 62,000 into another 15 lakhs. It has happened. Uh, so don't believe in people that are operating on the internet and telling you that you cannot make money in the market if you don't follow their YouTube channels and you don't follow their. You don't need to pay anyone anything. You don't need to pay anyone anything. You don't. You just need to learn. Just keep learning. Look for resources. Look for places to learn, and look for a way to learn that is logical and sustained. I think sometimes we forget our logic here. In India, I think the way we operate is because someone is saying something, we're just following it. We don't need to do that. We have to use our gut instincts and use our logic to understand exactly whether that person, whatever he's saying, is right or wrong. And if it is wrong, we need to confront them. We don't need to sit and wait and watch for us to lose our money. Okay, so I never followed any technical gurus. Everything that I learned is on my own. I always try to see, learn and practice, learn and practice, learn and practice, learn and practice. That's how I try to learn the markets. And today I'm in a very good situation. I can trade any markets. I can uh, sit in between a lot of traders and I can talk. I can discuss. I'm happy and I'm grateful at the same time. And I am really, really happy that I have been able to start this YouTube channel to remove all the misconception about the market. People that have been talking a lot of things that are not technically and logically aligned in line with the markets. So I believe that we can make a difference. Yeah, and we are not asking you for any money from anything. So just learn, and learn. Learn how to make money for yourself and for your family. Learn how to make a sustained income so that you can take care of your family without risking too much of your capital. Always try to risk a little capital so that your bottom line doesn't get affected and you're not out of the market. That's one of the major principles that you need to follow, the risk reward ratio, the stop loss management. Everything has to be in line with your capital requirements. So if you want to make only 1,000, 2,000 rupees a day, that's fine. No problem. Make 2,000 rupees in a day and get out of the markets. You don't need to wait for the markets to reach 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. No, you don't need to make 15,000. You make 2,000 and you get out. That's it. The requirements are fulfilled and you should not be too greedy. Markets will take away all your money. Because even any geopolitical situation, anything can happen, and things can really go upside down. Investors will become risk averse in the sense that they will not want to risk any money again. Once there is no money risk, of course, you will have the markets coming down. The markets coming down. So we need to really be careful, and our money is our responsibility. Nobody will care about it because of course they want to take your money away. They want to lure you with some kind of learning concepts and all. Nothing. There's nothing like that. Let us just be very practical. Let us be very real about everything, and let us work hard. Work hard, learn. Work hard, learn. Okay, practice. Just work hard. Learn. This is very, very important. Thank you guys for listening to me. I'm really grateful that we could have this interaction and see you soon. Bye.